Mayento Premtobre Kasee no so na yenkonza mfofo mu na Ghana National Fire Service mpanifo ne tichu ewo Northern Region say yeshafi asenko no gyahyehe o ma record 391 ebi efri afrase no mu 2022 no mu de di gyahyehe ne tichu baaye ewo Northern Region Adom TV Kasee etwaso
ADO2 Baba Hudu eye kasamafo ema National Fire Service nefa ewo etifedo mantamu wani amani buni etwetwe nkomon ene wadi tu jase afimpinu ene adwunu mienu eja eto mantamu honomono so wade toto afimpinu ene adwunu ba ko ho a ekosoro hamu nchichemu ensia ene echiripo adwunu mu nan wadana de se fire stations ahodo a ewo mantamu honomono wonu mu nyina edum eja ahodo bibire ya wakato aso se enyama bi enam so ema eja eto emiamia ewo mantamu honomono na electrical faults gas leakage candles ene coil a woso a wo ma woni enko ho ene afoforo bi enenam so ema eja dodo eto mantamu honomo.
The Ghana National Fire Service in Northern Region recorded 391 fire outbreaks and other related incidents. Comparing this figure to 2021, which recorded 367, with a corresponding estimated cost of damage.
Wadene kasa ebe wiye no ene wakato aso se wonu de wagidi ye pa se eja ahodo a odum je adwuma ye fotumi dum no ewo mantamu honomo no ebi wo ho a ankomafo na betumi asoso ano ne senti wode to manfo nyina animu se enchechira odum je adwuma ye fo de wono mo afemu no momodina se wodi bedi dwuma sabe a obebo won ho ban efri eja hyehye ho.
And we know that the fires that we recorded are very much preventable if only the people listen to whatever the fire service says and also put it into practice. It is our hope that we will all agree that safety is a shared responsibility, because the Ghana National Fire Service first mandate is to educate the public to be aware of the hazards of fires.